durable, resilient, and oozes elegance like no other. Obviously, we're talking about leather, the king of fabrics. There are numerous types and grades of leather, coming from the hides of animals including goats, sheep, lamb, cows, crocodiles, snake, etc. Every type of leather carries distinctive characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages. As we all know how costly leather can be, so it's best to be knowledgeable about various kinds of leather and their quality before going for a purchase. If you lack knowledge, it's going to be a bit challenging to identify the types of leather while shopping. In this video, we will be talking about 5 major types of leather, including their advantages and disadvantages. Here's a quick glance at the 5 types of leather. Number 1. Full grain leather. Number 2. Top grain leather. Number 3. Genuine or corrected leather. Number 4. Bonded leather. Number 5. Faux leather. Let's start with the first one. Full grain leather. This is the top layer of the hide, residing beneath the hair. Do you know why it's called full grain leather? Yes, it's obvious, because it contains the entire grain, the most sterling leather that derives its properties from the animal skin it comes from. Full grain leather feels like the most authentic one because it's without shaving or trimming, no sanding or buffing. In comparison to other types of leather, it's the hardest one, but it's also harder to work with. This elite class leather also harbors a hefty price tag. The more you use this leather, the more it's going to be beautiful. Because interestingly, time adds elegance to full grain leather. You know why? Because with time it absorbs oils and develops a patina. That's the reason people love it. And it's so expensive. And you know what sets full grain apart? Its scent. Top grain leather. Top grain leather is nearly indistinguishable from full grain leather. Still, it harbors distinctive properties and characteristics. The primary difference between the two is that top grain leather is buffed or sanded for flaws and inconsistencies removal. Secondly, it's more supple and comfortable to work with. Another interesting fact about top grain leather is that it's less expensive when compared to full grain leather. At the same time, it's void of defects, blemishes, wrinkles, and scars. While converting into products, leather dyes and finishes are also added. Quality-wise, it's the second highest grade of leather after full grain. As it lacks the outermost layer of hide, top grain leather is void of natural fibers, which adds up to the leather's durability. On the contrary, it's void of discolorations and defects, and adds up to consistent pattern and color. It is ideal for crafting luxury leather items due to its gentleness and flexibility. For instance, wallets, footwear, and handbags. All in one item, top grain leather contains homogeneous appearances and is pliable and soft. The drawback is, unlike full grain leather, it's not durable and wears out faster. Genuine or corrected leather. Genuine or corrected leather resides at the end of the chain. This one is thicker and more robust among versatile forms of leather. This leather is subjected to both buffing and sanding for more consistent and smooth finish. The final look of leather is achieved through spray painting, embossing, dyeing, or stamping. This is a low-grade leather, but it still harbors characteristics that keep it popular. Genuine leather harbors a uniform design, is more bendable, softer, and most of all, affordable leather. Because it costs less for the procedure. It possesses various grades depending on the degree of correction needed on the surface of the hides. Less corrected genuine leather has better grades. Interestingly, genuine leather is considered almost as durable as full grain leather. However, buffing of the surface removes the natural soft texture of the leather. Secondly, patina. A prominent characteristic of full grain leather does not appear on corrected leather. Bonded leather, also known as reconstituted or blended leather. Bonded leather is created when cutoffs and hide scrapes are finely crushed and blended with a filler. In the final step, the fiber sheet is used to stamp the leather with a latex or polyurethane finish. It's the least expensive among other types of leather, and the manufacturer utilizes different leather percentages for the process. However, the drawback is that you can't easily predict the performance of this type of leather, as some bonded leather is durable and some are not. Bonded leather is more prone to wearing and cracking out, quickly in comparison to the leather types we have already discussed. When we talk about appearance, it mimics real leather effectively because it possesses both the smell and look of real leather. You can get it in various textures, colors, and finishes. Unlike real leather, it is cool in winter and warm in summer. Moreover, if you don't care about burning leather properly, it's going to crack as this leather does not develop a patina with time. Commonly is used in the manufacturing of low-cost furniture, bags, book bindings, belts, clothing, and office supplies. It is not suitable for luxury products due to its limited durability. The last one is faux leather. This artificially created leather is a famous alternative due to its cost and moral considerations. It's entirely artificial leather and its manufacturing process includes synthetic material and there are no animal products involved. This type of leather lasts longer as it withstands the elements of time. Faux leather can be dyed and shaped into numerous variations to accommodate various aesthetic needs. Mainly, it is composed of polyurethane or PVC and it's flexible, durable, and easy to care for. Usually, it is used for making car interiors, furniture. One critical part to know about faux leather is that it's considered a hazard to environment as it gets sticky due to its non-biodegradable composition. Here it is books, the 5 different kinds of leather. If you are a leather lover like us, then you're probably looking for products that help keep your leather safe and sound for years. Here we have the perfect solution for you, White Pearl. Transform your leather goods with their top-of-the-line leather cleaner and conditioner, mink oil, leather conditioner, and leather protector. These products are designed to protect, nourish, and restore leather, bring out its natural beauty, and enhance its lifespan. Say goodbye to cracks and dryness and hello to supple, luxurious finish. Perfect for bags, shoes, jackets, and more. Try it today and experience the difference.